In this video, we show you how to add a new team member in Incogniton so you can securely share your browser profiles with your team. Go to Team in the menu on the left and click Invite Member. A short wizard will guide you through the invitation. First, enter the name and email address of your new team member. Next, choose how they receive their login. You can send a password setup link by email or set a password for them right away. Then assign a role. You can pick an existing role or create a new one. With roles, you control exactly what a team member is allowed to do, from launching and editing profiles to managing proxies and groups. You can even set permissions per profile group, for example, only allowing access to the profiles in a specific group. Finally, review the invite and click Send Invite. The new team member now appears in your members list. Your team member will receive a welcome email with a link to set their password. Once the password is set, the account is verified, and they can log into Incogniton and start working with the shared profiles based on the permissions you've given them. Want to learn more? Check out the other videos on our channel or try the free starter package.